Have you ever wondered why some girls your age seem to have it all? The freedom, the lifestyle, the soft life, while you're working twice as hard and still barely surviving paycheck to paycheck? You keep asking yourself what you're missing because you're doing everything right, yet something still feels off. That quiet frustration? Yeah, every Gen Z girl has felt it. You scroll through TikTok and see girls your age flying to Bali, wearing designer fits, sipping iced lattes at noon, and you start wondering, what am I doing wrong? It feels like they've cracked some secret code while you're just trying to survive. The truth? Most of them learned something you weren't taught. Everyone told you, go to college, get a good job, save a little, and you'll be fine. But nobody mentioned that the system was built to keep you just comfortable enough not to question it. You were taught how to be a worker, not how to build wealth. You thought hard work automatically meant success. But the rich? They're not grinding harder. They're playing smarter. They're following money rules you were never even told about. The truth is, most people aren't broke because they're lazy. They're broke because they're following the wrong formula. You thought hard work automatically meant success. But the rich? They're not grinding harder. They're playing smarter. They're following money rules you were never even told about. The truth is, most people aren't broke because they're lazy. They're broke because they're following the wrong formula. If you're ready to level up your money mindset and finally take control of your financial life, hit that subscribe button and let's glow up together. Quick note, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for education and inspiration only. In this video, we're breaking down the rich girl formula, the mindset, habits and strategies real wealthy women use to build freedom and confidence with money. Let's go. Before you even touch a single dollar, girl, you need to reprogram how you think about money. It's not just numbers on a screen, it's energy, emotion, and intention. The way you feel about money will shape how money flows to you or runs away from you. Money is emotional, not mathematical. That's why rich girls don't obsess, they align. They treat money like energy that responds to their clarity, not their anxiety. When you respect money, it starts respecting you back. Did you know 70% of lottery winners go broke within 5 years? That's proof. Money alone can't fix a poor mindset. It's not about how much you make, it's about how you manage what you have with purpose. Here's the truth. Poor mindset chases money, rich mindset attracts it. When you set boundaries, when you're clear on what you deserve, opportunities start showing up like magic. You become the main character of your money story. The rich girl formula starts with one simple rule: pay yourself first. Before bills, before Starbucks, before anything, a part of your money goes straight to you. It's about respecting your future self enough to make her your first priority. Think of saving like paying rent, non-negotiable. You wouldn't skip rent, right? Treat your savings the same way, like it's the rent you pay to your future lifestyle goals. That apartment, that travel, that freedom. Even saving just 10% of what you make adds up fast. That's the compound effect, doing its magic little by little. It grows into something powerful. One day, you'll check your balance and be like, wait, when did I become this financially stable? Most people spend first and save later, but rich girls flip the script. They save first, spend what's left, and sleep peacefully, knowing their future is covered. Remember what Warren Buffett said, do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. If your money isn't making money, you're working too hard. Imagine this, you're hustling 9 to 5, but your cash? It's out there working overtime. The smartest flex isn't grinding nonstop. It's letting your money hustle for you. Multiple income streams equals stability. You don't need to be a millionaire overnight, but you can build like one. Think digital products, small investments, even that side hustle that makes you excited to wake up. You're at brunch, laughing with your friends, and your phone buzzes, not a bill, but a payment received notification. That's what freedom feels like. Your money's working while you're living. But don't try to chase 5 hustles at once. You'll burn out fast. Master one, make it solid, then expand. Remember, wealth grows with focus, not chaos. Okay, let's be real. The stock market sounds scary, right? All those charts, numbers, and people yelling on TV. But here's the truth. The market isn't some monster to fear. It's your ticket out of the 9 to 5 grind. Once you understand the game, you realize it's not about luck. It's about playing smart. This is the real secret. Rich girls don't just save their money, they grow it. Investing is literally how your money starts working for you instead of the other way around. Imagine your cash getting stronger every day while you're outliving your life. That's the rich girl formula. Here's a crazy fact. The US market has averaged around 10% growth per year. That's way higher than your savings account that barely grows at all. So while some people's money just sits there, yours could be doubling while you sleep. That's not fantasy, that's math. And don't wait until you know everything, because that moment never comes. The best investors didn't start perfect, they just started. Even small steps compound over time. Like that quote says, "The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is right now." Rich girls don't buy more, they buy better. It's not about having a closet full of stuff, it's about having pieces that actually make you feel confident and timeless. Every dollar you spend is a vote for the kind of life you want, so choose with intention. Smart spending isn't about being cheap, it's about being strategic. A $50 jacket you wear 50 times. That's $1 per wear. But that $200 dress you wear once? Girl, that's not fashion, that's math crying. Owning fewer things but loving every single one? That's real wealth. Imagine opening your closet and every piece tells a story, not just a price tag. That's what spending with soul looks like. Too many people spend money they don't have to impress people they don't even like, but rich girls? We invest in quality, experiences, and peace of mind. Because that's the real flex. You can't glow up financially if your boundaries are weak. Think about it. Every time you say yes when you really want to say no, you're paying the price in peace and money. Rich girls know their worth, and that means protecting it, not apologizing for it. Saying no doesn't make you selfish, it makes you secure. When you start setting boundaries, you'll notice your energy, your time, and your wallets all start to align. That's when real financial freedom begins. Not from having more, but from saying enough. Most of your financial stress isn't from lack of money, it's from lack of discipline. Every time you say just this once, you break the trust with your future self. The rich girl doesn't do that. She protects her peace like it's her paycheck. Society teaches women to always be nice, even when it costs us everything. But being kind doesn't mean being a pushover. It means knowing your value and standing firm. The moment you do, people and money will start treating you differently. Luxury isn't the goal. Freedom is. You don't need designer bags to feel rich. What's truly luxury is waking up with zero stress about bills. Imagine being able to choose your day. That's the real soft life. Real wealth isn't about what you wear. It's about owning your time and your peace of mind. You can have all the stuff, but if you're constantly stressed, that's not wealth. Freedom is the new flex. Here's the math. If your investments cover your monthly needs, you're financially free. No yacht needed. You don't have to look rich to be rich. It's about creating stability that lets you live life on your terms. Aesthetic wealth might look rich on Instagram, but financial freedom feels rich in real life. The softest flex is peace of mind. Remember, wealth is the ability to fully experience life. So let's recap the rich girl formula. Shift your mindset, pay yourself first, build income streams. Invest early, spend smart, set boundaries, and chase freedom, not flexes. This isn't about being perfect. It's about being intentional. You deserve a life that's soft, free, and abundant, not one controlled by financial stress. If this video helped you shift your money mindset, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your bestie. Let's make the rich girl formula go viral. Drop in the comments, which step are you working on right now? I'll be replying to your stories. Let's glow up together. This is Sophia from Sophia Cash, helping you glow up financially. Remember, rich is a mindset before it's a number. Stay soft, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next video.